Mexico already had a big problem: femicides. At least 10 women are killed each day, according to authorities. Last month, tens of thousands of women took to the streets and also held a national strike to protest. Things were supposed to change. But then coronavirus struck, and after the optimism of just a month ago, some believe that now things could instead be getting worse.
And this type of crisis that asks everybody to stay home has the potential of increasing violence against women.
The Citizens Council for Mexico City, a joint government and civil society initiative, says calls to their helpline about domestic abuse have gone up by 25%. They've been hiring for the last 2 months to deal with the uptick.
In this call center, we give free help every day. And we have a team of 80 psychologists and lawyers, also to support the victim if she wants to press charges.
The National Network of Women's Shelters has also had a 60% increase in calls for help. They say this is exacerbating an already chronic problem.
There's a pandemic here, apart from COVID-19, a pandemic that we've had for years and that hasn't been attended to. The state's neglected it. And the women who have been murdered are mothers, daughters, friends, Mexican citizens that the state has failed.
The shelters say that just when they needed it, the money they get from the government has been held up. The head of that government doesn't himself believe that COVID-19 has affected domestic abuse.
No one should say without evidence that now that people are in their houses, there is more violence. That's not happening.
Those calling for help say differently. Instead of a refuge in their homes, they're finding themselves facing threats inside and out. John Holman, Al Jazeera, Mexico City.